Welcome to this Windows and Computer channel, and this is another tips and tricks. I get this question asked quite regularly. And, how do you transmit your own computer's screen, or how to cast it to another device? More and more now, people are actually purchasing smart TVs. A lot of them have actually the capability to have your screen casted. And especially from the browser, and here we'll be very specific on with using the internet and the browser, and of course the videos that you'll watch there. Also, some of you have Chromecast devices. This is also something that you can use to send a screen. Now, the first question I will actually answer is concerning a lot of people saying that when they cast a screen, it often is either very sluggish or it's not as clear and crisp. It seems to be a little fuzzy when they look at it. One of the things that you need to know about casting is that a good router is essential, and a good quality Wi-Fi connection also. Meaning that if your router is far from the devices you're using, it might not be as good and might actually be sluggish or a little fuzzy when you look at the screen that is casted. So it's very important to have strong signals, and best of all, if you can use 5 gigahertz, it'll give you even more bandwidth and possibilities that makes the casting even better. Once that is done, with Google Chrome, it's very easy to cast a picture. So when you're on a website, you can actually right-click on the page somewhere, and you will have an option called Cast. So this means that when you actually are using your computer, you can just cast the screen. Here you see my devices. There's one missing because I do have a Chromecast, but it's not plugged in right now. But you see that I have a Toshiba, I have a Samsung TV, and I got a living room mini. Depending on what you're going to cast, it's possible to cast different types. When it says available for specific video sites, it's because it depends on the limits of your TV. So your TV might have apps for YouTube or Netflix. Well, then you would be able to actually cast Netflix or a YouTube video. And often it happens when you actually go to a website. So if you go to YouTube, for example, and you cast anything. So let's see here. We're going to cast something from anything that's in here. I'm just going to put the volume to 0 for the video playback. So say that you are going to look at a video here and you want to cast it. You have this little cast icon on the bottom right of the screen. This is play on TV. When you click here, you can then select which TV is available to play that video, and it will immediately transfer that video to that TV. So some websites are using this capability also for specific tasks. And once again, if you use a Chromecast, which is really cool, and some smart TVs have Chromecast integrated, you can cast the browser screen if you want completely, and even cast in Windows. There's a possibility to cast the Windows desktop and use your PC wirelessly on your smart TV. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.